Panna Cotta or Panna Cotta is a classic Italian dessert, and the name translates to cooked cream. So, as the name suggests, the key ingredient is cream along with sugar and gelatin. So, to keep this strictly vegetarian, I use agar instead of gelatin, and I flavor it with vanilla. To add in a pop of color, taste, and texture, I'll be adding macerated strawberries to this. Traditionally, panna cotta is made with cream, but for a health conscious switch, I have replaced a large portion of the cream with milk to make this a healthier and a lighter dessert. A good panna cotta is one that is just set but can hold its own when it is taken out of the mold. It should be velvety, smooth and creamy, and should have a custard-like texture similar to creme caramel or caramel custard. I stumbled upon panna cotta during my assignment in the Netherlands. I enjoy my long walks to the Boutenhof, which is a square in the city center. It has these beautiful trees and cobblestones, the Hofwijver Lake, and lots of restaurants and cafes. So this one time we had lunch at Vapiano's, which is an Italian restaurant in The Hague. And after lunch, we were browsing through the dessert displayed, and this one caught my eye. I loved it so much that I came home and did several test drives to create a likeness to this dessert. It is different from the traditional recipe, but delicious no less.